Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of you guys. Like I was saying, it's come that time. We are taking the Vette back to Elite Wraps. We're going to be going ahead and getting this piece finished up. I want you guys to guess before you see the video. Do not cheat what color I'm going to be doing for this. And like I said, that's going to finish the C7.R slash C7GR3 wrap custom that I'm doing. One more time, guys. Going to take it to Elite Wraps. We got the PPF already done on the car, on the hood, on the rest of the car, even on the rear and the side of the panels. Now we're gonna go ahead and get it done. But one more time, guys, let me know what color you guys think I'm gonna be doing with the car. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality and be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes, so we all got the power to be one. Let's have a good video, y'all. Peace. Oh yeah, people said you did really good in the last video I did of you.
Oh really?
Yeah, of the roof wrap. Oh. Nice stuff you guys do, like the preparation and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's always good to prep before you start.
Yeah.
Down so it stays on, or else it's just not heal up.
Oh, it makes sense. That's how you're.
Yeah, I want to get this exactly.
Yeah.
Because if I just try to eyeball it, it's not going to be perfect.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
This actually helps out. It's because it's straight.
Yeah. Man, so tell me, why did you decide to do it this way?
So the reason why I did this is, well, everyone has their own ways of like aligning certain body lines. So what I did is I did this, since tape is, you know, like straight and it's not lopsided, I just stacked tape next to each other so that it comes out straight, so that this line can be perpendicular to this line.
Perfect, makes sense.
Exactly, yeah. So, I mean, like I said, everyone has their own ways. This is my way, it takes a little longer, but this will for sure get you that exact same straight line as this.
Hey, but you guys take your time to get that right quality, man.
Yeah, you gotta take your time for this kind of work, man.
Yeah.
This is art right here.
This is art, y'all. Make sure you guys go ahead and, like I keep saying, go to Elite Wraps, guys. If you guys are in the Southern California or just California surrounding areas, hit up Elite Wraps, and they can do all types of work, man. They got this work going on over here. They got some awesome Porsche Macan work over here, going the gloss black look for some accents. They do accents, they do wraps. They even do installs. They helped me out with my spoiler wing you guys saw in the last video.
We do powder coating, caliper paint, PPF, and some other extra stuff. Just hit us up and we'll let you know if we can do it.
Awesome. There you guys go. You heard it from the man.
There you go.
So now you're finishing the outline?
Yes, sir. Still gotta make sure it's nice and straight before I actually start laying the wrap.
Yeah. What's nice, you guys can get an idea of what the outline is going to look like, so you can visually see, like, okay, guys.
Everything is that black and
that's what she said.
Exactly.
So what you up to now?
So since I can't get this vent out, I'm putting this black piece so that the wrap doesn't bubble up here in the future because it's really deep inside here. So I don't want it to bubble up. So I'm just gonna overlap the carbon on it. Since black and carbon are pretty much same, the color wheel, dark colors, you won't really notice it.
Yeah, and it kind of fits with this right here.
Exactly.
Anyway.
So I'm gonna try to put the carbon as deep as I can so you really don't see the black.
Yeah.
So that's just a little piece that helps me so the wrap doesn't fail on me. So.
Now let's see if you guys guess the color. Did you guess the color?
Look at that beauty right there. That reflection, actually.
Dude, that reflection is kind of nice.
Oh yeah, it really is.
That's pretty nasty.
That's a high gloss right there.
That is nasty. Yeah, that is nasty right there. That is nasty.
Make it exactly like this over here. So cut it like that, and like that. So that when we try to lay the wrap in, we cut right. So you have to, well, it depends on some wraps it doesn't. Some wraps are heat activated, some wraps aren't. This one is a hybrid of both. So we have to constantly keep heating so it sticks nicely.
Yeah, that's gonna be tight. I like that. That's a good color.
It is.
Tell me what you did. What you gotta do next?
So now, I mean, we're pretty much done already. It's just mainly post heating so that the wrap doesn't pull up like in this area right here. Trim out this little spot right here and tucking everything. That's pretty much it. It's almost done. Just another minute.
Yeah, just make sure like checking the bubbles and all that kind of stuff.
Check everything over. Yeah. Should be good to go.
Yeah, that color looks sick though.
It is one of the most.
Like it's nice because it's not black, but it looks like from far away it fits. And then when you get closer, like, oh damn, that's gonna be. It's like that, that nice shine to it. So
exactly, yeah. So.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that a lot. So what you doing now?
Just heating it up, heating the edges so it doesn't peel up with like when you wash the car. It's pretty much done already. I just gotta trim that little area.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's gonna go.
Nice, man.
Yes, sir.
So that tells you the temperature?
Yeah, I have to get it to like around 190. I think it should be fine so it doesn't pull back. At 190, it's usually when the wrap doesn't pull back. That's when you kill its memory, so that should be fine. So this side is all done.
Woo! Just got back, got done, and wow, does it look insane. It looks so good. From far away, it almost looks black. Like, it looks so good, man. From far away, like I said, it looks almost black, but then when you get closer, you can see the carbon. Like, I love that. I love that. Like, from here, it looks black. And then when you get closer, it looks like that carbon. And now she is complete, y'all. She is complete, and man, I am just so excited for this car. Look how good this car looks, man. We've come a long way in a year and a half, you guys. We have come a long way in a year and a half. And I also love, now that I got this, the red really just stands out that much more now. So you can truly see, you know, the red and the black accents now. Place the number perfectly, so it's right there, right in the middle. Got the mirrors, got the calipers. Just look at that, man. Look at that. That is absolutely perfect. I love how that looks. That looks really amazing. Perfect, man. Like, wow. Look at this. Whew. Top Gun is officially exterior-wise done now. Suspension's done, wheels are done, tires are done. All we have left is to finish the Aero and finish the engine mods, and it's pretty much all said and done. Then just maintenance for the rest of the life of this car. Like I said, this is my dream car, you guys. I am just, look at this. Like, look how awesome this looks.